Oo ko, sabi nila, always squeeze yan. Galing. Good morning guys. So, day 2 or day 3 actually. Day 2 ng aming lakad today sa Japan. Medyo late kami nagising dahil sobrang pagod namin kahapon. Lumpo level 6. So, bumili na ako ng parang salon pass dito sa Japan. Pero today we're headed to Kyoto. 7:45 a.m. na dito sa Japan. So, 7 a.m. sa Philippines. Nagising ako 5 a.m. Japan time. Matao na dun sa mga tourist attractions na pupuntahan namin for sure. Dahil ang patanghali na. But anyways, at least mapuntahan, carry na. So, today, tolerable yung cold. Parang bagyo. Pero may heat tech na akong pantas ulit. Isa lang yung dala kong heat tech. Nilabhan ko lang kagabi. Natuyo naman siya kasi manipis lang naman siya. Malamig siya sa legs. So, dapat pala heat tech na rin ako sa legs. Naka-turtleneck tayo today, sis. Pero nagbaon ako ng scarf. Kasi paggabi dito, super lamig. Ayun, bilisan na natin yung paglalakad. Kasi sasakay kami ng train. So, see you later! Sa Kyoto na. So, we finally reached Fushimi Inari at 9:25 na. So, 9:25 kami nakarating dito sa Fushimi Inari. So, halos kakabukas lang ng ng mga stores dito. Tsaka ito, oh. Ang cute nila. At pala pumunta kayo dito mga very early in the morning. Kaso ang hirap bumangon, sis. Pag ganito kalamig yung yung weather. Ayun, bukas na ramen. Ang mga bukas na dito is yung mga kainan. Pero yung mga stores, halos kakabukas na. Legit na crab ba yan? Crab and fish mix na siya. Uy, parang masarap yan. 800.
When you visit Fushimi Inari, there are a lot of food stalls open with variety of foods to choose from na talaga namang nakakatakaw tingin.
Gusto ko yan.
If you want to avoid the crowd during your visit at Fushimi Inari, best to come here at around 7 a.m. During our visit, the site was already filled with tourists and students on their field trips. But what made this trip enjoyable is the cold weather. Hindi ka maglalapot dito kahit shoulder to shoulder na yung mga tao. Fushimi Inari Taisha is best known for its vibrant colored torii gates. These torii gates are said to ward off evil spirits and leads you to the path to Inari, the god of rice. Prepare for a lot of walks, stairs, and the uphill, so better wear a comfortable pair of shoes. If you want to take a good photo with lesser crowd, you can go further and follow the trail of torii gates. For us, with only a very limited time, okay na sa amin na ma-experience and makita ng personal yung torii gates because we're headed to another tourist attraction. After our walk from the torii gates, we tried the Wagyu beef sold in the area. Sa dinami ng pagkain dito, ito lang talaga yung na-try namin.
We'll try the Wagyu. Sakto lang.
Before heading to our next stop, we bought our favorite hot milk tea drink from this vending machine. Usually, pag nasa travel kami, we only eat light during the day. During this trip, may baon kaming cookies and mochi. We always reserve our best and heavy meal at dinner time. Stores in Kiyomizu, Kyoto offers free taste, kaya hindi talaga kayo magugutom.
Mga mi, ang daming tao.
From Fushimi Inari, we took the train going to Kiyomizu, Kyoto, where the popular Kiyomizu-dera Temple and Sanenzaka and Ninansaka streets are located. You can follow the crowd if you wish, kasi for sure, sa tourist sites sila pupunta. Kiyomizu-dera Temple is best known for its wooden stage 13 meters above hillside. The temple also holds a hidden gem called the Ottawa Waterfalls. The waterfall is said to bring good fortune and love, kaya sa mga gustong magka-love-life, dito na kayo pumunta. Dahil sobrang daming turista sa mga oras na to, di na kami tumuloy paakyat ng temple. We walked through the streets, going to the popular Starbucks in the area, and took some photos.
Ayun o, Starbucks.
For our next destination, we decided to squeeze into our itinerary going to the Kinkakuji Temple or the Golden Pavilion, which initially isn't part of our plan. Take note na magkalayo ang location ng Kiyomizu-dera and Kinkakuji Temple. We rode a bus and took us I think 30 to 40 minutes going to the Golden Pavilion, plus yung lakaran pa going to the bus stop and waiting time. So if you have a lenient time on your travel, might as well isama na sa tour ninyo. Japan has a very efficient transportation system, so it will be easy for your DIY adventure. Disclaimer, nakakapagod ang itinerary naming ito.
Really good. Abot pa tayo sa Arashiyama.
After umikot sa Kinkakuji Temple, diretso na kami sa Arashiyama Bamboo Forest. Hindi na kami nagtagal sa Golden Pavilion dahil baka gabihin na kami papuntang Arashiyama. Malayo-layo yung train station from Kinkakuji to Arashiyama. We used Google Maps to navigate around Japan. One of the things that I appreciate most and love about Japan is how pedestrian-friendly their streets are. Kaya maganda gumala dito. It was almost sundown when we arrived in Arashiyama. Masakit na rin yung mga paa at binti namin. As first-timers in Japan, overwhelming ang ganda ng lugar, kaya di na masyado nakapag-video during our tour. We took our time appreciating the place and took some photos in the bamboo forest. Medyo madilim na and some stores are closed. We had some snacks at the food stalls and decided to go home after. We dropped off at Kyoto Station from Arashiyama because we needed to change trains going to Namba. Di namin alam na nandito pala yung Kyoto Tower, kaya we took our time to stay for a bit and had a light dinner at a nearby 7-Eleven. Confusing sa amin yung station na to. Kailangan mo lang talaga mahanap yung tamang line and train track kung saan ka papunta. Rush hour na nung pauwi kami, kaya naman siksika na sa train. Mula Kyoto, bumaba naman kami ng Osaka Station. Nag-reload muna ako ng Icoca card, then sakay ulit ng train pabalik ng Namba. When we reached Namba, naabutan namin tong cute and trained na biik. Nag-dinner na din kami sa nadaanan naming fast food resto. I ordered a set meal and a yogurt drink. And yung food nila, quality meat kahit fast food. More of my Japan trip on my next vlog. Thank you for watching!